kayong lahat. Kami pala ay pupunta ng airport. Pupunta kami ng Greensboro, North Carolina. Mag-attend kami ng family reunion ng asawa ko. Mga ano lang kami, mga 4 days. And first time kung makapunta doon sa North Carolina. Ito naman yung yung papunta
In 900 feet,
parking.
you'll arrive at Killeen, Fort Hood Region.
Iwan namin yung sasakyan namin ng mga 4 days. Maliit lang tong airport nila dito guys sa Killeen.
Stay to the left.
Yung flight namin, Killeen to Dallas, Texas. Dallas, Texas to Greensboro. Bali to flights kami. Ngayon, hindi masyadong matao. Itong nagustuhan ko rin dito sa Killeen. Konti lang yung tao, maliit lang yung airport. So, ang bilis lang. Dumating na ang aming flight.
Throughout the flight, we will be coming through the cabin frequently to collect trash.
Sige. Sakay kami ng Skylink papunta na airport ay sa gate namin ng ng Dallas, Texas. Dito kami sa Skylink. Ito Greensboro. Greensboro.
Tagal ng namin luggage. Ang lakas ng lakas. Kaya kung tagal maglakay ng maglabas ng luggage. Ang ang permit namin.
Maulan dito sa Greensboro. Paglapag namin kanina sobrang lakas ng ulan.
Enter the roundabout, then take the first exit onto West McGee Street.
Hi guys! Ayun pala yung yung sound dyan. Yung sa alarm. Ano daw yung may nagkaroon ng problem sa pressure ng water. Tapos hindi ko alam kung bakit, kung connected siguro. Pagdating pa lang namin sa hotel, dyan sa labas, marami ng tao nakatambay dito sa hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi paparating na kami sa hotel. Tapos nung nandun na kami sa loob, doon narinig ko yung mga yung fire alarm ba. Kaya sabi ko, ay, meron atang kinakabahan ako kasi kala ko may sunog na. Yung pala sa lang, sa water pressure daw. Tapos pagdating sa ano guys, sa elevator, hindi pa kami nakapunta sa elevator kasi bawal gamitin. So kami nandun kami sa 5th floor, Diyos ko. Inano namin, hinila-hila namin yung luggage. Grabe ang pagod ko. As in. So guys, mag-room tour na lang tayo. Microwave. Merong sa ice. May mga glass. Diyan yung refrigerator. Nilagay ko na dyan yung pagkain galing sa airport, yung nabili namin. Kasi as in, gutom na talaga ako. Kasi yung bathroom. In fairness, mahilinis yung hotel nila. May shampoo ka na rin, conditioner, body wash. Yung lights dito. Sa airport. Nagutom ako guys. Hindi ko pa nakain kanina doon sa airport. Ayan, kain tayo. May broccoli, salmon, and Big Mac. Salmon. Kain tayo. Kain tayo guys. Ngayon ako nakakain kasi yung yung flight namin na delay kanina sa unang airport namin. Tapos pangalawa naman, mga 1 oras kami nag-antay sa luggage kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan tapos kumikidlat pa. Muuga-uga yung aeroplano, nakakatakot. Tapos nag-antay kami ng mga, kaya natagalan yung namin luggage. Tapos gutom na ako kaya ito na lang kinain ko yung binili namin sa airport. Sayang din. Kain? Mag-breakfast kami kasi alas 8:50 na ng umaga. Ang sarap ng tulog ko, napagod sobra kagahapon na travel. Kain tayo guys! Good morning guys! Let's eat! It's our second day here in Greensboro, North Carolina. Omelette and then sausage. And of course, coffee.
Itadakimasu.
Our commitment to patients like you.
So guys, mag-attend na pala kami dyan ng family reunion. Yan yung may mga party dyan, tapos may mga games. Tapos yun yung nag-cater ng mga foods dyan sa venue.
Oh, yours was the one that we found on the ground. I couldn't get enough. Hot fish, coleslaw, baked beans,
Potato salad,
potato salad, and
tomato,
catfish.
and this is the it's a pudding.
Bali pang third day na namin to guys, yung papunta kami ng niyan, ng Asian restaurant kasi naghahanap ako ng rice. So, nagpunta kami dun sa buffet, Chinese buffet. Swimming day. Natuwa naman ako at kinabukasan ay maganda ang araw, maganda ang sikat ng araw. Kami-kami lang dyan guys sa family ng asawa ko, relatives. Kasi reunion, kaya dyan kami sa isang hotel lang nagstay. Mga 80s din kami lahat. Yun ang sabi ng asawa ko. Hindi ko na rin nabilang kasi ang dami. Pureboyag. Kaya yan, sige. Mag-swimming.
It's dark.
Mag-swimming. Kasi
It's
ang
dark.
ganda ng araw.
All right, so go last. Go ahead, come on up.
Ako naman guys, pag nag-check out na, talagang inaayos ko yung bed sheets, tapos para din makita kung may makalimutan, ganon. Pauwi na kami niyan guys, pabalik ng Texas. Papunta na kami niyan ng airport. Bali pang 4 days namin yan. Nagstay lang kami dyan ng sa Greensboro. 3 days. No, 4 days na rin. Kasi check out namin dyan mga
My thing would be greenery.
Yeah.
And I had this one guy, he said, man, I kid you not, other than on TV, I've never actually physically seen or was able to touch green.
Yeah.
Because he was somewhere out there way in somewhere he said in the mountains of Vermont.
Okay. And so she's into the change of seasons. She likes to call up. She goes crazy.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Fall of the year?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
wow,
good.
yeah.
So I know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's good.
that's good. Matter of fact, April, we're going to DC for the cherry blossoms. She can say cherry
Oh, okay,
blossoms.
good. Okay. That'll be around.
Hey, we retired.
Hey,
and we go, you know what I'm saying? And we go right into the wheels fall off.
Hey, y'all paid to
That's
do it.
right. Like I said, in the future, I'm going to do it. So I'm going to do it now.
Okay.
And instead of saying, I wish I could have shown, I'm going to say, boy, I had a good time.
Yep, I did. I want it. I did. That's all right. That's all right. Appreciate the sharing. That's another of our motivation. What is it? What is it?
We just came back from Philippines last March, 2 months.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. I want to start getting my job so I can be like when I grow up.
I tell you, I started working at 17. I went to the
I kept hearing
Bro, I started looking around, see who she was talking to.
You know, it's a saying, mothers and mamas know their sons and their daughters.
Yeah.
So you looking around to see who she was talking to, because she wasn't.
I'm trying.
It's nice. Nice.
special request for those of you seated next to the windows. Before you leave your seat, please lower the window shades in order to maintain our cabin comfortable for deplaning. We really appreciate your cooperation with this request. And once again, please remain.
Nag-change ng nag-change kami ng gate. Thank you always, Lord, for our safe flight. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one and God bless.